Hindi na nagpatumpik-tumpik pa ang Germany sa pagkondena at pagpapahayag ng pagkabahala pagdating sa mga agresibong aksyon sa West Philippine Sea. Sa isang joint briefing, iginiit ni German Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock at Foreign Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo ang kahalagahan ng pagsunod sa rule of law sa United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea o UNCLOS at 2016 Arbitral Award. Hindi rin pinalampas ng Germany ang mga magkakasunod na insidente sa West Philippine Sea na kinasasangkutan ng Philippine at Chinese Coast Guard sa tuwing may resupply missions ang bansa.
Nicht nur eine Frage von den direkt Betroffenen.
There are truly rough winds blowing across the South China Sea, and this is happening in the middle of one of the most dynamic economic regions of the world. The incidents over the recent months where the Chinese Coast Guard has used lasers and water cannons against Philippine resupply vessels and even collisions happened are of concern also for us in Europe. China's claims for extensive maritime areas in the South China Sea, and you mentioned this already, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea speaks a clear language. As you have also mentioned before, the ruling of the Arbitral Tribunal has already been crystal clear in 2016. Such claims are not covered by international law.